Right, so after I cut the the bottom of the um, bottom cover for this how it goes yet, this one there, I did hit me to see if I could route 5 volts from the USB, one of the USB jacks and my keys. So went and take off this board, did a little quick connection under this USB to USB board on the 5 volt. There's also a pin that has 3 volts. Try to run it off the 3 volts. Nah. I was hoping to run it off the 3 volts so the fan would have spin a little slower. So route it, red wire, made a little connection there. Could hear the fan. Fan spinning. Could touch this now. This without the fan, this used to be hot. Alright, also kind of keeping the hard drive a little cool as well. And the memory, air flowing around this area. So, alright. So that's what's happening.